Hi, I wanted to make a video on this speaker. This is the JBL Flip 2. I've had this speaker for about 2 years and I use it daily. I've never had to replace it. It still sounds the same way as it was when I first got it. It's very durable, as you can tell. There's rubber all over it on the side, there and there, so you can drop it. And I've dropped it a bunch of times and it still works perfectly. To turn it on, how to use it, you have to, with this button, that's how it turns on. And then it looks for your phone to use the Bluetooth. If you don't have Bluetooth, you can plug it in right there to the aux cord. You charge through this. If you do, you take your plug, plug it in there, and then you plug this USB into any USB you have. It usually takes about an hour to fully charge, which is pretty good as it lasts like up to 4 to 5 hours. It's a fairly small, so it's very portable. You can take it with you wherever you need. You can take it on a plane, in your carry-on. You can fit it in a suitcase. You can fit it in a small pullover bag. So it's very good for carrying around. I first heard of this from a friend. He had this speaker and I really liked it. I thought it had very good sound, and I went out and got it for myself. I use it a lot when I'm outside, out in the backyard, out with friends, and it's very good. And it has a very good sound for that. It's very loud, which is a good point, and when you can turn it up all the way and it doesn't get muffly at all. It doesn't need any batteries. All you have to do is just charge it up, and the battery in it seems to be very good, as I've had it for almost 2 years and it still works perfectly fine. It has a really good feel. It's very smooth. And then on the speaker part, it's very flat and it's nice. It works in any country. All you need to have is a phone that has Bluetooth, which is almost every smartphone now this day. It makes things very easy for me now because I don't need to have anything to plug in or a big speaker to take. I can just easily take this and fit this in wherever I go, and it's very simple and convenient for me. It's very easy to use. Like I said, all you need is turn it on, click the Bluetooth button, and you're ready to go from there. It also has this calling button, so if you need to make a call, you can even talk on this, as it has a built-in mic, which is very cool. It's made out of a lot of rubber as the base, and then the speaker part is a plastic, but it's a very hard plastic, so it's very durable and has very good material. There's no assembly required. When you purchase this item, it comes as is, and it comes with the charger, and it's just this and the charger. And the charger is very easy to use, small, and it's also easy to take around with you. So there's no big cords or anything that it needs. It comes in a few different colors. It comes in a black and a blue, and I think those are the two. I chose the black just as it's a very neutral color and it goes with everything you need. Any different color that is used. As I said, the company is JBL, which is a very known company, and they're known for making very good quality electronics. This can also be a very good gift for Christmas, birthday, any holiday, as it's very good. It's a very nice speaker and anyone can use it. Over here on this part, on the rubber part, it's very soft and very touchable. On the actual speaker part, it's hard, and you can so if you squeeze, it's very durable, as I said, so you can squeeze it, you can knock it all you want, and nothing's gonna really happen. So this has never broken before. and like I said, it's still in perfect condition, and I use it every day without failure. So that's the video of this JBL Flip 2 speaker. Highly recommend, and thanks for watching.